Got a cold? Steer clear of these fruits. Bananas may seem harmless, but they can increase mucus production, not what you need right now. Watermelon is super hydrating normally, but it's too cooling for when you're sick. Skip it. Grapes are tasty, but they can irritate your throat and worsen your cough. No thanks. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, but the acidity can irritate a sore throat. Maybe another time. Chico or sapodilla is delicious, but it's heavy on your digestion when you're sick. Better to avoid. So while these fruits are usually awesome, they're not your best friends during a cold. Stick to warm soups and stay hydrated. Feel better soon.